Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily fix speaker not working on your iPhone XR. So first, what we can do is check the volume levels. So hold the volume up button. Now here, let me show you, you guys can control the volume with your finger. So make sure that it's set up to the max. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the speaker grill. So let me show you. Here we have the speaker grills and we should clean them with either the compressed air or a soft brush. I recommend the soft brush for this one. Now what else can we do is make sure that the Bluetooth is disabled to make sure that audio isn't rerouted to, let's say, your AirPods. So go over here. Now here we will have Bluetooth. As you guys can see, it's on. Let's go to Bluetooth settings. Now here let's disable Bluetooth entirely. So as you guys can see, it's off and it's not even on the not connected option. It's simply turned off. And now what else can we do is check for the software updates. It's very important to run the latest version of the iOS, not including the beta builds. So first, go to settings. Now go to the general section, go to software update, and as you guys can see, my iOS is up to date, and make sure that yours is too. So that'd be it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.